application on nodal analysis applied to solve a simple numerical problem. So here we need to find the voltage in node 1 and voltage in node 2. So that is the problem we need to solve. In nodal analysis, the first step is to identify the nodes. So that we have done here. It is named as node 1 and node 2, and by default one of the nodes you should take it as reference node, so that is indicated as 0 here. And the next thing is you should change the voltage sources into current source, that is step 2. So here this 25 volt voltage source with the resistor in series can be changed into a current source. So that is the next step. So after changing the voltage sources, that is the 25 volt voltage source and the 50 volt voltage source, the next step you can go for writing the nodal matrix by inspection. So once you have the nodal matrix, you can solve it to find the node voltages. So now that we will form the nodal matrix by inspection. The nodal matrix takes the form G into B is equal to I, where G it is the conductance and B matrix is composed of B1, B2, B3. Suppose you have 3 nodes other than the reference node, the B matrix will look like this: B1, B2, B3. Then you will have 3 values for I matrix: I1, I2, I3. So this is the case for a circuit with 4 nodes. So what we have taken, it is a circuit with 2 nodes. Other than the reference node, there are 2 nodes. So now we will solve that circuit and we will see what solution we are getting for B1 and B2. The same you can extend for any number of nodes, and as I have told in the previous videos, this matrix you can directly feed to the calculator and you can find the values of B1, B2. Now that we have formed the matrix, the G matrix, V matrix and I matrix are ready. So using the calculator, you can solve and get the values of V1 and V2, and you can do it manually also, but using the calculator will simplify this task. So V1 value is 2.61 and V2 is 29.1.